Hi. So suppose this is a kind of rod and we want to apply radial compressive loads in all directions in all the exterior nodes, how to do it in HyperMesh. And we also want to apply the tangential load in each outside node here, how to do it quickly. So for the tangential load, let me create one coordinate system first here. We can do it with cylindrical coordinate system. So let me create one coordinate system at a very center. For that, I need a center node here. So just go on, select this control key and then select some nodes here and then it can create a center node. So center node have been created. Now just go to here model and go to systems and just select this origin and instead of this rectangular select cylindrical. Then just it has given me three coordinates. X-axis in a cylindrical coordinate system is nothing but the radial axis and that should be pointing towards the radius. So that is done. Second thing is y-axis is nothing but the theta. So that I need to be anyway this and z-axis should be pointing towards the uh, axial length of this. So once this is done, I can just press OK. Has been created. Now, to create a tangential load, I can just go on here to analyze. I can just select this loads here and instead of this global coordinate system, I will just select this local and system will be this one. Selected nodes, you can select this node and press enter and you can select all this node by a path. Just click on OK and I want it in uh, tangentially. So that means I need to apply in the theta direction because theta is this angle. So I'll just go on here and suppose I need 10 newtons everywhere. Just create OK. So this is how it has been created. Uh, if you want to reverse this direction, what you need to do here is I can just go on and undo this operation and again click all these nodes same way using the path operation done. System will be this one done and instead of 10 I will just use -10 now. So the direction has been reversed. So this is regarding the tangential load at each of the nodes in the outer periphery. Now I will just unselect this collector and just create a new collector for radial loads. So for radial loads, as you can see, like just I can also show the system. So for the radial loads, I need to be the load needs to be applied in radial direction. So just go on here and select all these nodes again. Done. And system will be this one. Done. This will be 0 again. And this time this will be in radially outward. So it has been applied here radially outward. Uh, if you want compressive one, what you need to do is undo this operation and then go on here again. Just I need to switch the uh, sign here for the compressive loads. So -10 will be inward, just created radially, pointing towards each other. Sorry, pointing radially at the outer periphery. So this is the short video regarding how to apply the loads radially and tangentially along a circumference or circular structure. This is also applicable for other solvers in the HyperMesh. So yeah, try it out. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.